Hey guys, Ramblin Bob here again with another update with the E300 LFP. Now, Leo Liberon, I think is how you say his name, was one of our subscriber family here. This is the reason that we all get together and trade the inside information so all of us understand what's going on with this technology. I was just told about 23 minutes ago that PECRON has changed the newer E300 LFP models to only input at 45 watts via USB-C. He seems to still output 100 watts though. Still a bummer. I agree. I'm 100%. You can see what I wrote here. I said, wow, if that's true, that sucks. Because one of the best things that I like and we like about the E300 LFP is that you're able to input 100 watts at one time. And that way you could run like an EP3000 or EB3000 into it via the inverter. The DC inverter out into the USB-C input, and then you could run that all night long. So we have one of the original ones that PECRON sent us, but I guess now the new ones are only implementing 45 watts input. So I wanted to make a video to get this information out because some people are going to order this and they're going to find this as a shock. I want to take the shock away so people know before they order. So here's PECRON's website. We're going to go right to the power stations here, and then we're going to go right to here, and then we're going to confirm this, which I already did, but I want you to see it. And you can see in, let me put this bigger here. Okay, right here, it clearly says now 100 watts solar charging through the DC 5521 port, and then plus 45 watts USB-C charging input. Guys, I think that was a big mistake. I don't know, maybe they had a problem with the heat or something, or maybe a problem with too much power going into that port. I physically, literally used it today to make a video on the Allpowers R600 power station, and I tested the output by using the 100 watt input of the PECRON E300 LFP, and it worked phenomenal. I think it's one of the best features on this power station, and there's 3 good power options that are on this power station. One is that input output USB-C port, the 24 volt awesome output, and the light. I like those 3 options, plus all the dust covers. I don't know why they didn't put dust covers over here, and I didn't like that they turned these bad boys sideways. I think that was a bad idea, but maybe they had the reasons for lack of space or so. Who knows? I don't know. I don't build the stuff. I play with it, but I don't build it. But yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video, guys. I think this is a downgrade for PECRON for this model. Maybe, like I said, maybe they had a reason to do it. Maybe they were having problems with either heat, or they were having some kind of issue with I don't even, like I said, I don't know. But I just wanted to make sure that, thanks to Leo, this information is getting out there, and this could impact your buying habits, whether you want this system. At least you still have 45 input, which is better than probably 80% of the systems on the market. But I want to make sure that everybody understands that now it is 100 watt output USB-C only, and now it's only 45 watts through USB charging input. So very disappointed with that. I hope PECRON can at least either explain it or figure out what's going on. I'm going to send them an email and figure out why and what the problem is. But like I said, I was see now it says here in their own thing here, it says featuring 2 AC outlets, spelled it wrong, 2 USB A's and 1 USB-C port, 100 watts input and output supported. So they either have some explaining to do, or I don't know. See, it says here, it says max 100 watts solar input, fully charged, blah blah blah. Yeah, so I don't know what they mean by that, guys, but just a heads up. 45 watts USB charging input. I'm not a fan of that, guys, but I always want to put the goods and the bads. I always put all the information that I can get. Thank you, Leo, for the information, the updates. It literally takes a team of people to stay on top of this stuff. One person cannot do it. 10 people can't do it. 100 people can't do it. We need as many people as we can in the subscriber family to keep on top of things like this, because if this information and the technology changes without notice, that makes people very upset, and then they get kind of frowned upon as far as the technology, and then they seem to fade away, which is rightfully so, because I think any update should be clearly posted, as this one is, but boy, I'm not happy about it, guys. Okay, I do like PECRON stuff, but I don't like this decision from PECRON. So I'm going to email them and see what they say about it and see why they changed it. Maybe it's a heat thing. That's the only thing I can think of. Too much heat buildup on the board, and there's maybe no fan in that area for that much power to come through at 20 volts at 5 amps. So I don't know. I'm gonna email them, and then I'll let you guys know. Okay, Ramble on, be safe, and I'll talk to you again. Feel free to comment. All right, bye, guys.